Welcome back. We've got another fix today. We've had a lot of play in our steering, as you can see, and it's all in the box because it doesn't actually do anything with the drop arm in all of that play. So we're going to replace the steering box. We bought a new one off of a friend in our club, and so we've never done anything replacing the steering box before. We've adjusted it with the adjuster, which is on the side, this one here, but what that's basically done is it's not taken up much play and it's just made it very tight on the edges. So we've bought a new box and it seems to be a lot better, but there's only one way to find out, so we're going to put it in. So I've just pulled this out. This comes where it goes through the steering box and the steering column, which is why it's so covered in grease, because I've been packing it full of grease every once in a while. And so we've also removed the drag arm that goes onto the drop arm on the box. So next I'm going to try and unbolt it from the chassis. So the steering box is out. I still need to take the steering wheel off, but that's just a nut in the centre which is actually loose. But anyway, that's out. This is the new one which is going to go in, and that will be the next job, lining everything up. There's two bolts that go through the chassis, so I'll get those in first and hopefully everything else will go into place. So it's the morning now. I did finish most of it last night, but we just had a few things to finish off, like the centrepiece in the steering wheel where all the wires go to wire up the semaphores and the horn. That we've just done that. We've just greased it so it's freshly greased. And last night I had to take, it wasn't difficult, but it was tedious. The floor has to come out, the brake pedal has to come off, because the shaft that the brake pedal's on goes directly through the steering box. And once we unbolted it from the chassis, it came straight out, and put the new one straight back in, put everything back together, and nothing went wrong. So it could have been worse. And now we're going to take it out for a test drive, and hopefully we'll see a good improvement. It feels so much better. It's not just that there's not as much play, but also that around the edges it's not really tight, because when we adjusted it, we made it really tight on the corners or on the edges of the steering, which just made it more awkward to drive. But already I've only been driving a minute or so, and I feel a lot more confident driving because it's not jumping all over the place in the road, and I can actually control what it's doing rather than try and manage what it's doing. So anyway, it's also still charging, which is good, so we fixed that issue, which you'll see in, I believe, the video before this. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and I'm sure we're going to have more videos on fixing issues on the car.